and welcome to Digital Zone channel. My name is Iris and today we are going to look at the common beginner problem in Blender. When the origin point suddenly ends far away from your object, somewhere you really don't want it. So let's get started. Every object in Blender has an origin point. A small orange dot that marks the object's center from transformations like scaling and rotation. If you have worked with 2D graphic before, you might know it as the anchor point. When the origin moves, maybe after some editing or an operation, rotation can behave strangely. If we don't know how to fix it, modeling can become much harder. To reset the origin, select the object, then right-click on it and choose Set Origin and Origin to Geometry. You can also do this from the top menu by clicking Object and Set Origin. As you will see, we have 5 options for adjusting the origin. Origin to Geometry. This moves the origin to the center of the object's shape, based on its current geometry. Geometry to Origin. This moves the object so that its geometry lines up with the current origin. So, in the first option, the origin moves, and in the second, the object moves. Origin to 3D Cursor. This is extremely useful when you want to place the origin exactly where the 3D cursor is. The 3D cursor is a reference point in the 3D space. It's also where the new objects are added. You can place it anywhere using Shift plus right click or use Shift plus S, cursor toward origin. And yes, even Blender's world has its own origin. As Archimedes once said, give me a place to stand, I will move the earth. Yes, he was clearly talking about Blender. Next, we have Origin to Center of Mass Surface. This option moves the origin based on the subject's center of mass, calculated by surface area. Origin to Center of Mass Volume. Similar to the previous one, but calculated by volume. You will notice a difference in the more complex shapes. For example, a cylinder with a cutout will have its center of mass offset. The difference between surface and volume comes down to how Blender calculates the center. Surface considers only the visible faces, and volume takes into account the space the object fills. So, if your object is hollow or highly irregular, the results will be different. For the basic use, the first 3 options are more than enough. Origin to Geometry, Geometry to Origin, and Origin to 3D Cursor. If you found this tutorial helpful and learned something new, feel free to support me with a comment, subscribe or like. But that's all for today and I will see you next time in next episode.